Hello, it's Tory from Markvard Fitness, and today we're doing a lower body HIIT workout. 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. And I would like for you to keep tabs on your knees tracking over your toes, your low back just in a nice subtle arch, your shoulders back, abs are on, and then head back as well. Just the 5 main components of good posture. Before we get started, please answer the question of the day and comment your answer down below so that I can get to know you a little bit better. Go ahead and get ready with your optional mat, and I will meet you in a second. All right, we are going to start with our body swings. So, these right here. Good. So you can either have your feet together or your feet in parallel position in line with your sits bones. It's up to you, but keep your hips facing front the whole time and just keep rotating your chest on top of your hips. Good, you're still looking straight forward. Nice, letting your fascia kind of shear out on your back. Nice, and then we're gonna go into some wood chopping. Ready? We're gonna go into our wood chop and curve. Perfect, arms out, and then you're just throwing them to the side as you pull the knees in. Good, couple more on this side, and then we're gonna do the other side from here. Ready? Good. And press. Perfect. And press. Nice. That looks great. Okay, now we're gonna do our hip hinging. So you're gonna be in parallel position, slight bend in the knees. We're gonna hinge the hips forward and then hinge them back. Good. You can either have your hands out in front, you can have your hands behind your head, up to you. We're just kind of lengthening the hamstrings, nice and controlled. Perfect, so keep those abs tucked in. You're sticking your butt up as well. Good, last one-ish here. Perfect, okay. Now, we're just gonna do our body bounce. So parallel position again, just bounce your whole body. Perfect. Just loosening up everything that you need to. Feeling your whole body connected as well. Okay. Just for another 10 seconds, and then we're gonna go into some squats. Beautiful. Whew. Okay. Sorry, I had a little cramp in my foot. Okay, squats from here. We're gonna go send the hips back and lift them up. Send them back and lift. We're doing this for 30 seconds. Nice. Making sure that you're driving from the glutes at the bottom. Squeeze your butt at the top. Nice, and lower. Lift and lower. Lift. Perfect. Sending the hips back, chest is nice and neutral. Perfect. Last one here. Coming up. Perfect. Okay. Relax for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna go on to, what are we doing? Our curtsy squats. Whew. Okay. Yes, it is, what time is it right now? It is 8 o'clock my time right now, and I'm just fitting this workout in before heading off to work. Okay, we have 10 seconds. Do you work out before work or after or during? Let me know in the comments. Okay, ready? Let's go. And send it back, and up, and send it back. Perfect. Nice. Making sure here that your chest isn't kind of poking out. We're nice and connected here. Let your body fold in that neutral hinge. Good. Dip that knee down. Keep that front knee tracking in line with your second toes. Perfect. Yeah, these are our warm-up squats. Okay, ready? Last one here. And relax for 30 seconds. We're gonna do our second position heel lift next. Whew. I'm feeling warm, not quite sweating yet. How are you feeling? Okay. So go ahead and widen your stance to start. Your toes are just gonna be slightly externally rotated, not 180 degrees like you're trying to do a grand plie in ballet. Keep your arches lifted. So look at my feet. Don't do this. We do this. Ready? We're bending. Now, we're doing pulses first. Perfect. For the first 15 seconds, and then we're gonna do our heel lift. Okay, ready? Nice, let's stay down. We lift up the heel and lower. Heel lifts and lowers. Oh my gosh, it is burning. This is burning. Whew. Perfect. Almost done. One more each side. Nice. Okay, come on up. Okay, we're gonna come down onto the mat and we're gonna do our leg pull front prep leg extension. So go ahead and kind of prep your body first. This is the hold that we're gonna be doing, and then we're gonna kick out your legs at the same time. So, neutral spine, don't let your back overarch. We want a nice, controlled plank position of the upper body and the trunk, your whole trunk. Lift your knees up, we kick it out. One, and bring it in. Press, and in. So this, I know it's a lower body workout, but you're really gonna feel it in your legs. And it's not a bad thing to get your shoulders in as well. Shoulders and core. Good, keep going, press. And we're almost done. Inhale, and lengthen. Good. Let's go one more each side. Press, and in, last one. Good. Relax from here, child's pose position. Okay. Now, we're gonna do our, what are we doing? Arabesque kicks. Okay? So you're still on all fours. You're gonna lengthen one leg out behind you. Keep your core pulled in. We don't want this to happen, right? So we're just gonna lift your leg up like so and lower. Make sure it's your butt that's firing first. Make sure that you're actually thinking about that pattern. Yeah, we're going now. Press and release. Good. Out and lower. Perfect. Keep going. We're just gonna do this for about 25 seconds and then switch to the other side right away. Good, 10 more seconds. Don't overarch that back. Keep your nice neutral spine. Whew. One more. All right, switch to the other side. We lengthen and press. Perfect. Lovely. We're doing this for 25 seconds as well. Nice. Pull that belly button in towards your spine. Actively press those shoulders through your hands. It's a weird analogy, but you get it. And release. Pressing actively through those hands. Perfect. Whew. 2 more. Last one. Okay, relax for a second. Nice job. Now we're gonna do our vertical ovals and then switch. Okay. So this is gonna be on our side. So on your side here, lengthen all the way out into a full straight line. We're gonna lift the leg into a hover and we're gonna do vertical ovals. So it's gonna go up and around, not too much to the point where your hip is gonna do this like rocking thing. Just a nice subtle hip, or not subtle, but nice neutral hip position. Good, keep going here. Nice. That looks great. We're just gonna go one direction here. So I'm going back and around. Just remember the direction that you're doing right now so you can do it on the other side. Perfect. That looks great. One more, and then we're gonna switch to the other side. Ready? Woo. Okay, and we go. Lengthen all the way out. Is this enough time for you to transition to the other side? I don't know. Let me know in the comments and I can change it for next time. Perfect. Up and around. Check in with this bottom ab connection. Yes, your side butt is actively firing. Whew. This side is harder than the other side because we've already worked on the other hip. Okay, relax from there. Nice job. Okay. Now we're gonna do our second position squats. Okay, so we're coming up to standing and we're going to have our nice second position here, just in line with just outside of the hips. Okay, so hands on the hips. 5 seconds. After the 5 seconds, we're going straight into our squats. Lift those arches up, squeeze your butt. Ready? Yes, keep going. And lower, and lift, and down, and up. Keep going. Nice. Keep those knees pointing outside of your toes. Squeeze your butt at the top. Good. Making sure you're still in that neutral position so your stomach is nice and pulled in, belly button is pressed in towards the spine. Low abs are firing, your shoulders are back, head is back. Good posture. One more. Nice. Okay. Relax for a second and we're going to do our split squats. Okay. So for this one, I'm going to step back a little bit. Okay, so your feet are going to be in line with your hips, not in line with each other, right? So we want a nice base to stand on. Our foot is about a little bit wider than your walking stance, and we're just going to dip that back knee down. Ready? Dip. And good. Hear me cracking my ankles here? Keep both hips square to the front. Squeeze both butts on the way up, and even on the way down too. Good. Keep going. Lower, lift, and lower, lift. I think we can do 3 more. 3 and 2. Last one. Good. All right, go ahead and do the other side. We're going right into it. Ready? Lower and lift. Lower and lift. Squeeze both sides. Nice. Whew. Down and up. Shoulders back, chest open. Nice. Core is super tight. Whew. Opening up that hip flexor as you come on up because you're maintaining your neutral position. Whew. I'm dying. Lower. These ones are so hard. Whew. Last one. Okay. Relax from there. Nice job. Okay, now we're going to do our second position knee twists. All right, let's do it. These ones are hard too. So we're here, grand plie. Ready? We're just going to twist one knee in and then the other one, okay? So shoulders back, tuck in the ribs. Ready? We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're twisting the knee in and out. In and out. This one is kind of easier to do without a mat so that you don't slip, but it's okay here. We'll make do. Nice. And out and in. My quads and my butt are burning. 10 seconds. Whew. And in. Are you sweating? I'm sweating now. Down and open and close. Perfect. Keep those hips square to the front. Keep the head pulled back. Whew. Okay. Relax. Oh my God. Okay. Now we're doing our leg pull front prep plank chapees. Okay. Plank chapees, I love these. So you're on all fours again. You're gonna tuck the toes, lift the knees into a hover. And we're gonna do some jumping jacks or échappés with your feet. Ready? Go. And yes. Another full body thing that I love to incorporate into our parts workouts. Good. Keep going. We're halfway there. More than halfway. Nice. Lift your butt. Just bounce your butt into the air. I know it's a weird thing. Keep going. One more. Okay. Nice job. You're doing great. Thank you for dying with me right now. Now we're going to go into our stretching. Oh yes, we deserve this. Okay. If you want to feel more of a workout, feel free to rewind to this time. But let's go ahead and do our nice cool down here. Okay. So let's just lengthen your arms and legs overhead. Okay. And we're just going to shake out your legs like so. Nice. Grab your right leg. Kick it up to the ceiling, point your toe, and bend, and stretch. Nice, bend, and stretch. You can flex your feet for more of a challenge, but that is up to you. Good. Nice, bend, and stretch. 2 more. Last one. All right, other side. That one also works your quads too, ready? Point your toes up. Where am I flexing? I'm gonna point first. and stretch. Bend and stretch. Lovely. Keep your neutral spine here. A little bit of a curve. If your back is flattening like that, just lower your leg a little bit. No shame. Seriously. Bend and stretch. I'm going to flex my foot, but honestly, I'm feeling a little tight today. Good thing we're doing this. Good. 2 more. And last one. Nice. Go ahead and hug your knees by bringing your feet in like this. Let's do feet together and stretch out there. Pull on your hips here. Nice. Okay. I hope you feel good right now. I'm gonna roll up. And guess what, guys? We are done for the day. Nice work keeping that good posture, working out your legs in a nice, it's not too much, right? It's a nice, like, oh, I did something good for my body. You can always do it again. Again, rewind to this time, and I will see you in our next video. Thank you so much for working out with me, and I'll see you soon. Love you.